we're going to work on ascending and descending thirds. The first one we're going to do is C. It's very easy because there's no sharps or flats. We'll start here at C5. Other than the wrong tone, I had it right. That's major. Now, we're going to switch keys to do the next one. This is the key of B with 5 sharps, because you know it's good to do things in other keys. And here's the ascending in major. Then we're going to go minor, and you'll hear a big difference. Now, let's do the natural minor. Let's just do the natural minor scale before we do the ascending and descending thirds. That's that minor third. Now that's just the scale. Now let's do the ascending minor thirds. Now, let's do harmonic minor, because that last one was natural minor. I'll do the scale first. It's just a 7th raised to half, and it takes it up the same as it would be in a major scale, right? It's only the leading tone, 7th tone, is only a half step down from the octave in a major scale, so it's a minor scale with that. Okay, so let's do the up and down ascending. You'll hear it's got a different sound. You say I got a little lost. I don't do these a lot. So one more time. Now, whether you're doing major scales, whether you're doing minor scales, ascending and descending thirds are really valuable because you do so many thirds in music, major thirds and minor thirds. And just to go over the difference between a major and a minor third, I'll do it on C since it's a simple key. That's the major da, da, da. The only difference on minor is that third note, instead of being da, da, big difference. So if you practice these, it's going to be a lot easier in your improvs and everything else, because you'll kind of go, oh, that's a major third, minor third. And there's so many of them in music, it's really worth knowing. So ascending, that means up, and descending, down, major and minor thirds. Do them in every scale, every key, and I would do them in all types of the minor. I would do them in natural minor, I would do them in harmonic minor, and in melodic minor, all of them. If you're not sure what those mean, go to Masters of Harmonica, and you can find an article all about these keys and scales and exercises. I think it's called Around the World, Walk Around the World.